Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it. Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw the King Kong mod from Among Us. It's basically the King Kong mod. So that's it. It's going to be step by step like the intro said, and it's going to be for beginners. I'm going to be using this Corella brand marker, and I'm using this really simple computer paper. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and go to King Kong's brow. So the top of his eye. He's going to have a big brow there. It's going to be like a circle, but without the bottom part. And then I'm going to go to the far side brow. Alright. Now I'm going to have the nose, which is really going to be tiny in comparison. It's going to be a curved line on this side. I'm going to pull in. And a curved line on this side. Okay. Going to go over here and draw a straight line underneath. And kind of like an almond shape for his eye over here. Curve over here. Curve over here. Line out, front, and I'm gonna, that's gonna be the front of his mouth, and I'm gonna make the open part of his mouth, right? It's gonna be like a big curve, okay? We're gonna curve around here, like so. Let me do it. Curve. All right. Gonna curve outward down here as well. Down here, less of a curve though. Out. So he has this big open mouth for his teeth and stuff. So let's go over here. I'm gonna draw like his teeth, his canines, straight across, and his canines on the other side. So here, up, straight line in, a little bit more, and then canine on this side. Maybe over here some more teeth. Go to the bottom. Do the same thing. I'm going to curve this straight line up here. Pull in. Flat. And then pull line up. Down for the ones below. Far side of the mouth is going to be a straight line. I'm going to go over here and actually start doing his tongue, which is just like a curve inside of his mouth. Like so. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge the outside here with his mouth. So I'm going to draw the underside of his mouth, which is a straight line. I'm going to draw across here, curve up. Alright? Straight across here, curve up. Now I'm going to go to the forehead. He has a pretty high forehead over here. So it's going to go up here. So, curve a bit around the corner. Zigzaggy grass shapes on his head, which is his hair. And I'm going to pull line back down. Alright? Pull line back. And then down. Down at an angle. Let's draw his ear. His ear is going to be the bottom of that. And I'm going to draw just a little nub of an ear. Curve, touching the edge here, like a C shape. Straight down. It looks like a D shape now. And I'm going to draw a little line inside of it. So I'm going to go right into his shoulder. It's going to roll to his buttocks there, Shoulder here. Zigzag for the fur. And it's going to have another little roll here into his back end. So let's do his arm, which is going to be placed right here to support his weight. By the way, if you like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. When you do that, I've come up with videos every day. So please, just to kind of, you know, if you want to support the channel, or if you just want to draw every day, or, you know, practice every day, you know, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification so it lets you know. So let's do the arm over here. I'm going to have a curve here. And another curve down here. So another curve here. Curve around the back here, the back of the arm. You're just going to start it over here anywhere. Curve here. Zigzag. Curve in, down. And now we're going to draw his fist on the floor. So I am going to draw a zigzaggy shape for the end of the fur on his hand here. Pull down. Let's draw his fist. It's really easy, just another layer, another flat. Pull up, back. Pull line down. Let's draw a line over here for his stomach, maybe about halfway up the arm or so. Just a bit of a line here. And I'm going to draw his back leg. So I'm going to start over here in this area, anywhere in this area, probably the middle. Curve over here. Down. Zigzaggy shape. Curve in. Line over here to show kind of the pattern of his chest, but we'll do that in a minute. Alright, go to the feet. So the feet are just going to be the same thing. A bit of a flat shape overall, like a flat shoe shape, except I'm going to dig in some toes in there. Let's go to the front, pretty much near the end over here. So I'm going to start over here around his chin, like where it connects to the tooth, and I'm going to pull a curved line here, for one curved line for the chest and one for the rib cage. Bigger one, small. Okay, so watch this. Bigger one, smaller one. All right. Gonna go over here to the chest right here, and there's gonna be a color differentiation, so I'm just gonna do that. That'll settle that. Let's go to the other side, and I'm gonna make a repeat shape over here of the other hand. Curve line here, see? Curve line here, zigzag, down here, up, same shape, line here. And that's it. Well, actually, you could draw the feet back here as well. I forgot about that. On a repeat shape of this one. So then now, you know, that's it. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed that, like I said, hit the subscribe button. But not just that, hit the like button so I know what to draw more of. And also hit the share. Share it anywhere. Share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, share it on Pinterest especially. Share it anywhere. I'm going to do one more thing here. I'm going to fill in the back of his mouth so that it's very obvious there. I'm Enrique. Thank you so much. I'm making a new website. I'll announce that soon. I'll talk to you later, guys, okay? Thank you so much, and I'll see you later on. That's been King Kong.